This multi-access approach makes it perfect for families, guests, or short-term rental management. Whether you're unlocking your front door from the driveway, granting access to a guest while abroad, or letting in a cleaner with a one-time code, the PCB51 offers full flexibility and peace of mind. Unlike many competitors, WELOCK offers all of these services with no monthly fees, making it a cost-effective solution for smart home enthusiasts. The WELOCK PCB51 Bluetooth Smart Lock is a well-rounded, thoughtfully designed solution for anyone seeking advanced access control without the complexity or cost of professional installation. Its multiple unlock methods, robust smart features, durable build, and DIY-friendly design make it one of the most user-focused smart locks on the market today. Whether you're securing your family home, managing short-term rental properties, or upgrading to a smarter lifestyle, the PCB51 delivers reliability, functionality, and peace of mind.